Hi everyone, this is Brad. In this video, we're going to just take a look at how you can use Flipgrid to send videos to families or to students. And we're not going to take a look at using this for anything else, just for you to send out videos. You can go anywhere from 15 seconds to 10 minutes. Make sure to sign in and select Add New Grid. When you do so, I'm just going to type in hi for right now. We're going to select School Email, and we're going to select Next. Now in here, we're going to just select Next again. This is the district where I work. So let's select Next, and our grid is ready to go. So we're going to go to our grid. Now in this one, what we're going to do is we are going to go in and add a new topic. Now because you're the only one that's going to use this, you can just put this in right here. You're not going to use it with any of your students as far as them responding. So why not take it to 10 minutes? Maybe you're going to be showing them something. Who knows? Now there are other options down in here. We can take a look at that at another time. And of course there are more options down here as well. What you're going to need to do is select Create Topic. So you're ready to go. What you can do is just say All Set. And then you can scroll down here and just select Record a Response. So it's going to come up here, and you can see you have 10 minutes. Hi, everybody. So here we go. We're just going to select a very quick video or create one. Hi, everyone. It's Mr. Dow. Just wanted to reach out and say hi. Hope you're all doing well. Take care. Bye-bye. Okay, so let's select Next. You can preview it. Take a selfie so you know it's you. You can, of course, change your name. So if you want to say Mr. Dale, go ahead, submit your video. It's going to be all set. Now, for you to send it out, maybe you want to put it in Google Classroom or something like that. Let's go ahead in. Here it is. You can select Share. Here is the copy. Here's the link. Just to make sure that families can see it, I will go into an incognito window, Control V, paste it in. Families can see it. They can't respond. Nobody's going to be able to respond. Mr. Dow, just wanted to reach out. Okay, so you can see it's right there, and you are ready to go. Any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.